In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive stuck on processing changes. This is a common frustration for many users, but with a few simple steps, you can have your OneDrive running smoothly again in no time. First, let's start at your taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. It's usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on the upward arrow to reveal more icons. This is where the OneDrive icon could be hiding. The taskbar is the control center of your Windows device, and it's where you access various apps and features quickly. Once you've located the OneDrive icon, click on it to open the menu. In this menu, you'll find a small gear icon which represents settings. Clicking on this gear icon will direct you to the OneDrive settings menu. Settings are important because they allow us to adjust various functionalities and resolve issues like the one we're tackling today. With the settings menu open, select the option labelled settings again. You'll see several tabs, but for our purpose today, we want to navigate to the account tab. The account tab is crucial because it's where we manage our connections and synchronizations. In the account section, you'll see a button that says unlink this PC. Clicking this will effectively disconnect your current PC from your OneDrive account. This might sound a bit drastic, but don't worry, it's perfectly safe and won't delete your files from OneDrive's cloud storage. This action just locally removes your computer's connection to OneDrive. After unlinking Open File Explorer, you can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. In File Explorer, navigate to the OneDrive folder. It should be under Quick Access or in your user directory. Once you've located it, go ahead and delete this folder. This removes the local OneDrive content from your PC, which is necessary to ensure that any lingering issues are cleared. Now the final step is to sign in to OneDrive again. Go back to the taskbar and open OneDrive as you did before. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This step re-establishes the connection and initiates a fresh synchronization. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've remedied the processing changes issue in OneDrive. Take a moment to verify that your files are syncing properly by observing the status of the OneDrive icon. It should no longer show any issues. This straightforward method helps you maintain optimal performance without too much hassle. Thanks for tuning in and happy syncing.